Welcome! In front of me I have a Huawei Watch GT 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here we have the list of watch face we can select from. You can scroll through this list by swiping left and right, find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So as you can see under the watch face, we have this custom button. You can tap on it, and here we can change, for example, the color of the watch face or the background of the and the widget or the function. You can tap on it and select something else like this. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to apply the changes. You can also change the watch face through the settings. So if we press the crown button to open the menu, scroll through it, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, select the option called watch face and home. And here we have the watch face option. And once you tap on it, it will open the watch face menu. Find the watch face you like and tap on it to select it and apply it. And last way to change the watch face is to do it through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone that our watch is paired with, zoom out the camera like this, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Huawei Health application. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on devices, select your Huawei Watch GT 5 from the list. Now scroll down and you should see this watch faces category. If you don't see it, it could be because when you install the application for the first time, the Huawei Health application, you selected a region because you need to select a region to install the app. So you could select a region that doesn't support this feature. I selected United Kingdom and it works perfectly, it doesn't have any issues, but some regions might not support this. So if you're missing watch faces category, I recommend trying to reinstall the app, select different region, and hopefully that will help. Okay, so let's find the watch faces and then tap on more to open the watch face store. And here we have home, which is the basically store for the watch faces, and mine, which is the list of watch faces installed on our watch. So select mine, scroll down, find the list of watch faces you want to, or rather find the watch face you want to apply. And once you find the watch face you like, tap on it, then tap on set as default, and it's gonna be changed. And of course you can download the watch faces from the store. So if you open the store, find some watch face you like, tap on it, then tap on install. And after it's done installing, it will be applied on your watch and also will appear right here on the mine list. So you can switch between them quickly. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.